Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so daily chart. The bulls took it as high. We talked about the 100-day exponential moving average yesterday. They took it as high as the 100-day. They could have taken it as high, remember, as the daily mid-band. We talked about that as well, and it would have still been bearish. They were able to turn it around, knock it back down, and come back to the 200-day exponential moving average. These 200-day moving averages, whether you're following the exponential or following the simple, they have engaged price effectively the last 4 days, and they have acted as support here and in the Globex here, 2,600 even, and yesterday's low 25.96. That for me is going to be the key to today and the key to whether the bears have really much more to say here. If they do, then you're going to see the 200-day moving averages go resistance, and we're going to get into a deeper market. At that point, you're going to see, you're going to see a little gloom and doom out there. I don't think it's going to do anything dramatic. I think it's going to do what it's doing now, which is just steadily making lower highs and lower lows. But the conversion of the 200-day moving averages is a long-term indicator of market control, and we are certainly brushing up against that area, and the bulls are doing what you would expect them to do at a long-term inflection point, which is defend it with everything that they have. If they continue to defend it, then I would expect that we've pretty much seen the lows of the day, and you'll start to see a gradual move up off of those lows as we get into the regular session. If the bears have more, then we'll be trading, with things with 25 on the front of them. And if that's the case, they really would need to close down there. Trading below it and then giving it up into the close is not helpful for the bears. They would need to get underneath it and stay underneath it and really get people thinking about, is there some longer term damage that's been done to this tape? The band ride, as you can see, we had compression, we've got expansion. You've got 4 days. You don't have the 5th day. We haven't touched that band yet. Here on the hourly chart, you can see daily pivot is held overnight. Hourly mid-band is trying to hold. You got your 200-day test here. You have potential higher lows here, but it just could not get it done. And when we got up into the 76 area around noontime, it was just a very fertile area for a collection of shorts. We shorted at 52.5 as well. And that was when the news hit, and that was a really steep 40-point plunge for the tape. So it's a situation where they're going to fight over 2,600 now, and I always warn everybody in the room about short-term trading, long-term inflection points. So it could get choppy. So we're sitting around on over 100 handle week, and and it's Wednesday. So if we really start to chop, I'm going to limit the amount of trading that I do today. We're actually in a short right now against 18, which is yielded us a nice little 10-handle trade for people. We'll see what happens from there. So everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be out with a midday. I'll be out with a wrap up. Tons of new people joining, tons of new people taking trials, tons of people converting. Come on in and join them. It's a great environment to learn. It's been a great tape. Volatility is going to continue, in my opinion. We talked about this back in October, November, December, and it's playing out in spades. So have a great day. I will talk to you then. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.